EBS Kids.
Joe's creamy, dreamy ice cream will delight. One single bite and you can read and write.
Little Limo loves lemons.
Loves lemons.
Pretty Pepper packs a punch.
And Oscar makes impossible ice cream.
What about me?
The bright and shining superstar.
Bling, bling!
Joe's creamy, dreamy ice cream will delight. One single bite and you can read and write at Joe's Magic Ice Cream Truck. Joe's Magic Ice Cream Truck.
Magic ice cream truck.
Hurry up!
Hurry up! There is a big party in Alpha Town today, Silver. What should I wear? Ooh. Funny. Bunny. Mommy. Sunshine.
Hello, Joe's Magic Ice Cream Truck. How can I help you? Okay. 1 mushroom ice cream, 1 walnut ice cream, and 1 pumpkin ice cream. Your order is complete.
Okay, Oscar. Limo, Pepper, can you help me? Yes, we can help. Thank you. Let's hurry up. One scoop of my ice cream, my lovely tasty ice cream. It makes you smile and dance and say, hooray, 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 hooray! You love my scoop of ice cream, my lovely tasty ice cream. Why don't you try our ice cream today? It stops babies crying, makes moms feel great, stops grandpas fighting, helps you stay up late. If you feel sad or you feel blue and you just don't know what to do, then just grab a scoop of ice cream, 'cause I made it just for you. Yeah! Thank you, Limo and Pepper. Huh? Gulula? I'm hungry.
Hello, Joe's Magic Ice Cream Truck. How can I help you? Another order. Joe, hurry up.
Okay, I'm going now. Papana!
10 duck ice creams. Your order is complete.
Oh.
5 bunny ice creams. Your order is complete. 6 peanut ice creams. Your order is complete.
Oh, I'm so busy. Joe,
Do you want to make some ice cream for Joe?
Yes! Volca! Ta-da! Limo!
Somewhere over the rainbow. What song shall I sing at the party? Huh? All you need is bling bling. Love me bling bling. Stand by bling bling.
Woof, woof.
Hurry? Hurry? Hurry up. Hurry up. Oh, that's it. Silver. Today's song is the Hurry Up song. Yeah. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. I need ice cream. Go and find out how to make ice cream. Hurry up.
Let's choose an ice cream for Joe.
Lemon ice cream for Joe.
Pepper ice cream for Joe.
Lemon.
Pepper.
Lemon.
Pepper.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. How about butterfly ice cream?
Butterfly ice cream.
Or gummy bear ice cream?
Gummy
bear ice cream.
Ah, yes. What about bubblegum ice cream?
Bubblegum ice cream. Yeah.
One bite and you'll be full of yummy bubbles.
Wow. Yeah.
Let's hurry up.
Hurry up! Yeah.
Oscar's impossible ice cream recipe.
Woof woof.
I'm ready.
Let's make bubblegum ice cream.
Bubblegum ice cream.
We need pink bubblegum.
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 Woof, wow, wow, wow.
Bubble gun? Okay, bubble gun.
Bubblegum.
Bubble gun.
We need a jug of plum juice.
Jug. Jug.
What? Bug? Bug? Ew.
Jug.
Bug? A bug in my ice cream? Ew.
Pump some chocolate syrup.
Pump. Pump.
Ramp, ramp.
Jump? Jump.
Pump.
Pump.
Jump. 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 Or bump. 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 Oh. Making ice cream is not easy. Oh.
Thank you, Oscar.
Hey guys, I'm back.
Come in, Joe. We will make some ice cream for you.
Really?
Bubblegum ice cream for Joe.
That's my favorite.
jug of plum juice.
Jug, boca, boca. Jug, boca, boca.
Pump some chocolate syrup.
Pump, pump. Boca, boca, boca. Boca, boca. Boca, boca, boca. Boca, boca, boca. Boca, 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 boca. Boca, boca, boca.
Bubblegum ice cream!
Wow! Thank you. It looks delicious.
Yeah.
Wow, yummy! I feel full.
Whoa.
2 thumbs up.
Bubbles. Bug? Can I really eat this? Huh? We have to go. Party time! Time for Bling Bling Song! Hello, bunny, jump, jump. Do the bubblegum dance. Hello, ducky, bump, bump. Do the bubblegum. No, no, bubble, bubble. No, no, no. Oh, I'm really angry.
Joe.
Do you want me to read you a story?
Story.
Okay. Where is my lunchbox? A bunny, chipmunk, and duck live in a hut.
Do you have your lunchbox?
Yes. Let's go.
Hurry up.
Let's go on a picnic. There is a puddle.
Jump.
Jump.
There is a skunk.
Oh no! Bump.
We're here.
Let's eat lunch. Oh, a bug muffin. It's not mine.
A mushroom muffin. It's not mine. A nut muffin. It's not mine.
What a surprise! Mixed up muffins.
This bug muffin is yours.
Thank you. It's mine. This nut muffin is yours. Thank you. It's mine. This mushroom muffin is yours.
Thank you. It's mine.
Enjoy your muffins.
Hello, bunny, jump, jump. Do the bubblegum dance. Hello, ducky, bump, bump. Do the bubblegum dance. You can be funny when it's sunny. Do the bubblegum dance. Jump, jump, bump, bump. Do the bubblegum dance. Jump, jump, bump, bump. Do the bubblegum dance. You can be funny when
Joe's creamy, dreamy ice cream will delight. One single bite and you can read and write.
Little Limo loves lemons.
Pretty Pepper packs a punch.
And Oscar makes impossible ice cream.
What about me?
The bright and shiny superstar.
Bling, bling.
Joe's creamy, dreamy ice cream will delight. One single bite and you can read and write at Joe's Magic Ice Cream Truck. Joe's Magic Ice Cream Truck.
Magic ice cream truck.